Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about how we can check the given number is even or odd. As we can see in the example 1, we have taken num value as a 30, assigning into num value, and we are checking whether the 30 is even or odd. So of course 30 is even, so the output will be 30 is even. In example 2 we can see that num value is 15 and we know that 15 is not divisible by 2, and therefore it is odd. So we know that how we can identify the number is even or odd. If the number is divisible by 2 and remainder comes 0, here is the flow of program. Now we will start the program, and after that we will read input from user, or we can assign some value to the variable so that we can do the program. So after that we'll use if else condition we will use to check whether the given number is odd or not. What if else does is, if the given condition is false, it will go to the else part. Otherwise, if the condition is true, it will go to the if part. Here the condition is input modulo 2 equal to 0. It is nothing but it is the remainder. We are dividing that input number by 2 and coming remainder as 0. So we are dividing by 2 and remainder we are getting as 0. So if that condition is true, then what will happen? It will display the input is even, and then our program will be ints. Okay. Suppose if the condition is not true, it is false. If it is false means the else part will be executed. Whatever in the else part is there, that thing will be executed. So in else part input is odd will display. So after displaying of input is odd, we will say that our program is finished. Here we will make one file, like I will make file even odd, even odd. And in JavaScript, I am doing in JavaScript, so extension is JS. So I will .js and hit enter. My new file is created, and inside new file I will make writing my program here, and I will compile here and test the program whether it is performing right or not. Okay, so I will assign value. Let assign num. Let assign num equals to 15. I will assign 15 value to num, and I am using if else to check whether the condition is true or false. According to that condition, it will display my result. Okay, in that if block, this is the condition. Actually, finding even or odd, we are just checking whether it is divisible by 2 or not. That's what I am doing here. So I will just print message if that part will be true. Console.log $sign and curly braces num each even. Okay, then after I put okay, this is the else part. In else part, if the condition inside if else will be false, the else part will be executed. So let's see. I will just print console.log click dollar sign, dollar sign, dollar sign, okay, is odd. Now this is only the simple program we are doing. After the completion of program, we will save Control S and then we will run the program. Here we can see that the output is 15. Okay, 15 is odd. Our compiler is saying means output is 15 is odd, so it is coming correct output. Let's check some other value like 30. Save the program and run. Yeah, here we go. We are getting 30 is even. So our output is coming correct. So in this way we do the program of even or odd. So thank you guys. See you in the next one.